Hey, welcome again to Cooking Around's channel. Do I have something special for you today? We're walking back to memory lane where it all started. And it basically started just before this video. But this recipe is chicken cheese salad, but still on the light side. After I lost the weight, I could eat a little bit more calories. So, without any further ado, let's get going.
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Cooking Around's kitchen. I'm really excited because now I'm starting my new series of low calorie. I lost all the weight. Now I can start eating just a little bit more what I want. And today I'm doing a tomato chicken salad, which is going to be absolutely awesome with garlic, cherry tomatoes, and I'm using chicken breast. Why? Because chicken breast is very low calorie. It's absolutely perfect and it's got the protein and everything you want here. And fresh basil. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Now, if you lost the weight with my weight loss plan, then with some exercise and some willpower, and you can see how much weight I lost, and I'm feeling absolutely awesome. So I am really excited to launch my new low calorie recipes, and I know it's going to keep those calories off. It's going to energize you. So let's get going right away. Okay, here we are. We're back. This is my indoor grill. And I'm going to use the grill because I want to keep a low fat butt. So I want you to just drop a little tiny bit of oil in, just like that, no more than that. And I want you to take your handy dandy brush, and I just want you to move it all the way around like this, just to coat it. I know it's Teflon, but it does need a little bit. And I have just a little bit under a pound here, which is half a breast, and we put that in there, like that. And now, I'm going to grill this until it turns brown, and I shall be back. Okay, we're back. The chicken is about halfway cooked, so I want you to lower the heat to medium-low, and we're going to now finish cooking the chicken until it is cooked right through here. But I want you to grab these cherry tomatoes, and I want you to roast those two like that. And I'm not adding any more oil. No, it's cooking until this chicken is done. And these tomatoes are a little bit roasted, and I shall be back. Grab one of the biggest pieces of chicken that you can find, and just give it a quick little cut there in the middle, and just take a little peek. And it is absolutely perfect. The tomatoes have come along really nice too. And I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. Grab yourself a nice bowl. Grab yourself one of these fancy spoons, and here we go. What I want you to do now is the chicken that you grilled. I want you to put the chicken in there just like that. There we go. And I took the tomatoes and I have them. Now I did not have them when I grilled them because I didn't want to lose the juices. So now I put in about half a pound of the tomatoes. And now here comes all the goodies. I have about quarter cup of green onions, quarter cup of parsley, fresh, and a quarter cup of fresh basil. I did not chop the leaves, I just left them natural like that. And about almost a tablespoon of zest of a lemon. And all I do is just take that and just shove that in there. What could be more fresh than that? Now I take about half a lemon and I just squeeze the juice in just like that. Just like that. Now, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, like that. And now, we just take that and we just move it around like that. How is that starting to look? Yummy. There we go. Are we finished? No, we're not. So, look at that. Now we put that to the side, and I want you to grab one small little bowl. And I want you to grab this handy dandy fancy little garlic presser, and you put in 1 garlic or half a garlic, whatever that you want. And you just take that and you just knock that down like this. There you go. And I want you to take about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and put it in there, just like that. And now I want you to take your fancy dancy brush and I want you to keep on moving it around like this for about 30 seconds. And we put that and let that sit for about 5 minutes. And I want you to grab your favorite French bread or your baguette and I want you to cut it at about 1/2 inch pieces, basically like that. About that size, like this. And I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. I cut them all. Now I want you just to drop them down like this in a nice little order so you can work. That little piece you can pop in your mouth and give it to the birds. And now I want you to grab your olive oil and garlic mixture, and I just want you to dab the top, just like, you don't have to use up all the garlic because the garlic is already in the olive oil. But if you like it really strong, just pile on the garlic. It depends on you at this point. There we go. Now, I'm going to put this on the baking dish. I'm going to put this under the grill. And okay, now we're back. You take the mixture that was marinated for 20 minutes, and at this point, I want you to add a little bit of salt, but just less than 1/3 of a teaspoon. And I want you to add some fresh ground pepper. Now, I like doing this after the marinade. And I want you to mix that all around like that. Okay, how does that start to look? Yummy, yummy. Now grab yourself a plate, and here I already have 3 of the breads which have been toasted with the garlic and olive oil. And I just take the mixture like that, and I just start piling it on like this. You don't have to be fancy, just like that. And how is that starting to look? Oh, yummy. Now, take a look at that. How is that starting to look? Are we finished? No, we're not. You know me, we're not finished yet. I want you to grab some Feta or any other kind of hard cheese. And I just want you to place it around just like this. Now, this is low-fat cheese, so I really don't have to worry too much about it. I'm just going to place it around. And we'll just take a little bit more of these tomatoes here, and we'll just place them right about there like this. Now, are we done? No, we're not. Grab a little bit more of dry parsley and just sprinkle on top like that, just to make it look good. Now, tell me, how does that look? Yummy, yummy. Now, we're done. All I can say now is thank you very much for allowing me to present this dish to you. Thank you very much for allowing me into your homes. I hope this keeps your diet under control. And I'll see you again from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.